Kingdom greetings. I'm making a smoothie this morning, so I wanted to kind of let you in on my ingredients. I've got some pitted dates, some ashwagandha powder that's great for an adaptogen to stress. I have some acai packs. You see that? I have some flaxseed oil, good for omega 3, 6, and 9s. And if you are any sort of vegetarian, this is great. I have my frozen bananas, a little bit of strawberries. I'm probably not going to use them all. They're organic. Also some organic mangoes right here. Some organic almond milk. And, whoops, I knew that was going to happen. A little bit of organic spinach, okay? So I'm going to pop all that in my blender. Let me stand this back up. My little display just fell down, and I'm going to have a nice smoothie this morning. And I wanted to share it because this is going to be my little recipe, all right, for you for this week. Smoothies are really great. You can do pretty much anything with them. And once you learn what flavors work together, you notice I have a lot of tropical flavors. You can pretty much put anything in them. All right, blessings. For a minute there, I kind of binged out on smoothies because they really fill me up, and I could have a smoothie and have nothing else for the rest of the day. Maybe a handful of nuts or a light meal at the end of the day. If you put all of your fruit and vegetables in one smoothie, you have your recommended daily servings for the day. But I binged out for a minute and I didn't want any more smoothies for quite a while. And now I'm kind of back on the smoothie trail, all right, and I made some nice breakfast cookies in between the time when I wasn't really eating smoothies. I live in a tropical area, so they're very refreshing, and it's hot today. Yep, it's still in the 80s and 90s where I live right now in the middle of October. So anywho, I'm going to make myself a nice post-workout smoothie. Just finished my exercise. Remember, we're doing this for one reason and one reason only. And that's 1 Corinthians 10 and 31 that tells us whatsoever we eat or drink, do it all for the glory of God. So I need my temple to be around here. I got much work to do. And so I'm going to take care of it, steward this one temple that glory resides in. All right. So I want to encourage you to do the same. You know, this morning I was thinking about this song, I'm yours, Lord, everything I am, everything I'm not. Everything I wanna be. You know that song? Completely yours. And if you really are his, then what? You're going to steward your temple like he is living inside of you, because he is. And just like you completely belong to him. Blessings. Until the next one. Karen Pina, your glory teacher, heavenly success, and ascension specialist, signing out.